Hello everyone, I'm Erin from WebNazar, your digital lens on everything trending. Today, we're diving into another important story, idea, or innovation shaping our world.
Jules is an autonomous coding agent built to handle the tedious development tasks you'd rather skip, like fixing bugs, writing tests, or updating documentation. In this tutorial, we will take you from a fresh login all the way to generating a complete, ready-to-merge pull request. Before we start, you need 3 things ready: an active Google account, a GitHub account, and an existing codebase. This setup gives Jules the access it needs to observe your codebase and participate in your daily development cycle as an autonomous partner. Step 1. Visit jules.googole.com. Sign in with your Google account and accept the one-time privacy notice to reach the dashboard. Next, click the button marked Connect to GitHub account to grant Jules access to your code. During the authorization flow, GitHub will ask you to set permissions. You can grant access to all your repositories or explicitly select the specific ones you want Jules to work on. Occasionally, after completing this step, your approved repositories will not immediately appear in the Jules selector menu. If you don't see your code listed, simply refresh your browser page to force the dashboard to sync. By selecting specific repositories during this process, Jules gets the exact context it needs to write accurate code, while keeping your unrelated projects entirely isolated. Now that you're connected, pick your target repository from the drop-down menu. Jules selects your default branch automatically, so you can leave that setting as is. The way you write your prompt determines the output. A vague prompt like fix code gives no direction and hits a dead end. A specific prompt like add a parse query string test routes straight to successful execution. Once your prompt is ready, click Give me a plan to submit the task. Jules immediately spins up a secure cloud virtual machine, cloning your code and installing dependencies directly into this sandbox. By utilizing this isolated VM environment, Jules safely verifies that proposed code changes work perfectly before ever modifying your live branch. This screen shows the generated plan. Before Jules writes the final code, review the proposed file changes and check the side-by-side code diffs to ensure they match your request. If the plan looks correct, click Approve. This explicitly authorizes Jules to begin making the edits. Because Jules operates autonomously, you are free to leave the dashboard. Click Allow on your browser prompt to enable notifications, and Jules will ping you when the task finishes. To make future plans even more accurate, you can add a file named AGENTS.md to the root of your repository. Use this file to document your unique codebase conventions, explain how your internal tools operate, and outline specific input and output requirements. Approving plans and documenting rules through the Agents file establishes a predictable workflow where you delegate specific technical units to the agent while you oversee the broader project goals. Let's check the result. Leave the Jules dashboard and open your connected GitHub repository. This pull request screen confirms the successful run. You see the new unit test, the Jules author label, and a passing success status. Now that you have the basics running, you can explore advanced features like schedule tasks and CI/CD integrations with platforms like Render. Connecting these integrations allows Jules to monitor